Welcome to Rain Axis Solutions, where Glenn Villiar shares his hobbies and daily life.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Axis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, we have an Ozito PXC or Power Exchange cordless leaf blower. So I got this from Bryanville. I'm not sure if you guys have Bryanville in your country, but in Papua New Guinea, the Bryanville Home Center is the shop that is distributing this type of leaf blower. The reason why we bought this leaf blower is that I wanted to replace our air blower that we're using to clean our computers and printers. And last week when I went to our other branch, I came across this leaf blower, and I figured it was on sale, and we do need to have another type of blower to help clean our printers. You know, we already have this cord or corded type. How do you call that? The one with the cord. And that's what we're using to clean our computers. But lately, we also need one in our other branch. So I figured if we use a cordless here and send the other type of air blower to the other branch to help them, clean their printers and computers, that would be helpful for both branches. Anyway, this kind of leaf blower is made of plastic, and it's pretty straightforward. There is this nozzle, which is also made of plastic, and I like the tip of this one because it kind of have this narrow end, so the air could be focused properly on a single point. And this is the battery, which is 2.0 Ah or amperes. And this is the simple one, the regular one. And there is another type of battery which is more special than this. This is the cheaper alternative to that. I think that the other one is compatible with the fast charger. But, we don't really need a battery and a charger that charges faster. I think that this is fine. We usually don't use air blower every time. We actually have this monthly schedule of cleaning post machines, computers, and printers. So anyway, if you plug the battery, you're good to go. You just need to attach this nozzle, and just a reminder, once you attach the nozzle, you cannot remove it. You could, but it might be very difficult and it was not advisable. Even the paper was saying once you attach the nozzle, it's kind of a permanent attachment to this air blower. Actually, it's a leaf blower. Okay, so we have a Canon MF3010 printer here. I'm just going to try cleaning it with this leaf blower. The reason why we are cleaning this type of printer is that it is prone to collect staple wire. Yeah, you heard it right, staple wire, from those very good users who don't try and remove the staple wire before plugging in a scratch or scrap paper. And also, this kind of printer usually collects some toner dust, which could dirty your hand when you touch some parts of this printer. Let's try and remove the battery. I'm going to charge it for a while so we can try and clean a dirty or dusty computer. But before that, I'm just going to show you the standard charger that I bought with it. And as you can see from here, it can fully charge this battery in 80 minutes. Yes, 80 minutes. So that's around 1 hour and 20 minutes. There, so it's pretty simple to charge, and while it's still charging, you can see that red LED there in the middle. It's gonna move downward to the next LED light once it's fully charged, and it's gonna be like I believe it's green LED light after it is fully charged. So we're just going to wait for it to get fully charged, and after that we can use it for cleaning a computer. Now that the green light is lit, I think that this is fully charged now. So I'm going to just plug this to that main unit, and let's go ahead and find a computer to clean. We actually have a lot of computers in this office, and even if you pick any computers from this area, we will probably see a decent amount of dust in every inside of computer. So I'm going to just choose this one and put it on top of this desk, and I'm going to show you how much dust this computer has accumulated from day-to-day use. If we look at the motherboard closely, we can see some buildup of dust, including in the vents of the power supply. We can also see some spider webs in there, and the amount of dust in here is pretty decent. This is just the right time to use that leaf blower to blow these dusts away. That will surely improve the efficiency of the fans in the motherboard and inside this power supply unit. I took this PC out, and I'm going to start using this blower to blow the dust out. If you wish to prolong the life of the fan in this processor fan, hold the fan like this and blow on the heatsink. We can now inspect if the leaf blower did a good job of cleaning it. I think so. If you look at the areas here, it was super dusty earlier. You can really tell that it is a lot cleaner than it was earlier. And if we touch the vents of this PSU, I do not see any trace of dust on my finger, and the heatsink is also clean. The motherboard is also back to its shiny form. So my conclusion is that this cordless leaf blower is very useful for cleaning computers and printers. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you do like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.
Right Naxxes. So the name, they know what the move is.